What's up everybody, Odin here, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to draw Batman from the absolute DC universe.
Promise you you'll catch me. Promise you you'll catch me.
So for those who don't know, the absolute DC universe is a universe created by Darkseid after he merged with the Spectre and sacrificed himself and created this absolute DC universe. I've read this issue several times and I love it. And let's get right on into the tutorial. Alright, now first we're gonna want to start off with a tiny circle. Like that, and we first have our head. Okay, let's bring this line down. And for those who don't know, Absolute Batman is a big boy. So from here, these 2 points, we're going, for this side, we're gonna want to go down and curve. For this side, we're going to do a slight curve. Now from here, we're going to want to, from here we're going to want to create a big old circle. Okay, so then from, let's just extend this out by a little bit, and from here, like so. Now for the hip, okay, and here is where we are going to be doing the belt. Now the belt is, like, the pockets are bigger. And from here, we're gonna want to do his big old biceps. So starting from the left side. And then gonna finish up his arms. So from and then from here, just gonna make some lines. These lines are the handle of his Bat logo axe, which is incredibly crazy. We'll fix that up later. But fixing, let's just fix this. Just finish up the handle. Now for the other arm. we'll work on this side of the leg in a moment. But this leg is very important because that's where we're going to get the hand. But since we're starting off with the hand, let's just make his overlaid glove. Let's finish up this big ol' axe, because the axe is supposed to be really big. This dude's legs are big. Okay, now for this beefy logo. Okay, now let's round these out like so. Let's keep this middle guideline here, because when Absolute Batman has his axe off, it has like this cool little grid-like pattern. Okay, let's just finish out these little tights here. Okay, now let's actually work on the head up here. Okay, let me just alright. This dude's bat ears are long. Then the eyes. Like that. And now is the time to erase most of your guidelines. But only follow the guide, but only erase the following guidelines that I am erasing. Now let's work on his shoulders. Now let's just barely do on what we did for the other side, since this bit would mostly be in shadows. And now for those 4 strips of Absolute Batman's cape. Because this cape is extremely cool. It's almost like some kind of Venom of sort, but all that was revealed in issue 4, where he made it himself. Okay, let's just do some refining on his neck. And now let's add all these crazy spikes that he is going around. It's very cool. And there you have it, everybody. That is how you draw Absolute Batman. I had a lot of time drawing this, and I hope you guys enjoy drawing it too. But yeah, as of updates for Batman Rise, I've just finished the script, and I will start animating sometime within the next week or so. Anywho, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.